Attention! ACM's Fall 2025 Open House is September 9th at 3 p.m. in the Student Union Retama room. But first, let's back up. Hi, my name is Eric, and I'm the Vice President of ACM. What is ACM, you may ask? Well, ACM, Association for Computing Machinery, is the biggest student tech org on campus. We've got a lineup of suborgs and events, and I'm sure one of them will catch your attention. But I'll let the directors do the talking. First up, we've got
ACMW, Empowering Women in Tech.
And
Coding and Color, creating a welcoming space for minorities in tech.
next is
At Rowdy Creators, you take on collaborative semester-long projects and level up your skills.
and then there's
ICPC, perfect for sharpening your problem-solving skills and preparing you for technical interviews.
if you're looking for a real-world experience,
ACM projects get you building real software for real users with a real tech stack.
and then making a comeback this year,
Bits and Bytes, our junior officer program designed to get you directly involved with ACM leadership.
but wait, there's more. We also host some of the biggest tech events in Texas. That being,
Variety Hacks, the largest hackathon in South Texas.
then there's
Code Quantum, our beginner-friendly hack day catered towards marginalized genders.
and brand new on the scene,
Rowdy CyberCon, our very own cybersecurity conference.
And the best part of all of this is completely free to you, the students. On top of that, we'll have free pizza and giveaways at the event.
We've only scratched the surface, so please come see the rest at our Fall 2025 Open House.
can't wait to see you there. Thank you.